Hey friends, if you wish to disable mouse acceleration on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for mouse settings in the Windows search bar and open mouse settings. Now straight away scroll down and click on additional mouse settings. Now there will be a tab called pointer options. Make sure that this option for enhanced pointer precision is unchecked. It is disabled. It should not be checked just as it is in the picture. Click on apply and then click on OK. Now I'll tell you, it's not about pointer precision here. If pointer precision is disabled, then mouse acceleration cannot even be enabled on your system at the first place. So if pointer precision is disabled, then a mouse acceleration is also disabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.